Okay guys, we arrived to our next delivery. It's supposed to be 4 a.m. but I'm always calling and figure out can we park by the delivery, can we not? Because if you park by delivery, you go on the sleeper, the hour starting running, and you're gonna get unloaded, and after that you can go to the next load, and I have a next load already. It's not always we can do that, but any chance when I have the chance, I'm taking the chance. What we're gonna talk in this video today, we're gonna talk about the efficient way to work on a refrigerator. How many days to get out for a week, 2, 3, how many day offs, how to arrange the steps to catch the season, when it's better, when it's less better, where it's sometimes you just need to work. We'll figure out everything already tomorrow because I'm too tired. I'm gonna walk a little bit on this nice place. We're in West Virginia. Always love this state. Yes, it's a lot of mountains, but damn, the view, it's super good. It's not worth it to drive with a car. It's a perfect state. For a semi, kind of tough on the hills, but careful downhill and you'll be good. Going to rest, guys, and talk about how to make the best money. Stealing the wood from the trash. What can I say? The things are starting to be expensive in the States. Another dude was walking like both trash cans and nice cars. A pickup for 50,000 was a Ford. Kinda fucking expensive. This is why you need to know what is the best strategy to make money as a truck driver. How many days to work, how to make your mindset. Look at this beauty.
Looks like a supervisor. Be careful on the phone. I don't care.
See what's going on here. Middle of the night, West Virginia. They're building the bridge because the lane, it's terrible. I already spent an hour on this traffic here. Bag problem, guys. Summer, it's already coming and the bags are going out and all this stuff. Yeah, I think it's just the construction, this big thing. They want to do something with that. Gonna need to take the exit soon. And this is what we expect, right? Driving in the night, we have less trouble on the road. That is not always a guarantee of not having problems. Constructions, accidents, you never know what can happen. But the most important is to be That is the most important to any situation, and pay attention on the traffic and be vigilant on any second when you work, guys, because any second counts. Any miss or something can cost you accidents and problems. A little bit more, guys. 1.8 miles to the delivery. At least this iPhone, it's filming better than actually seeing outside. Wow. I'll put the phone down because the police here. What you gonna do when they come after you? I'm a bad boy.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come?
It's how the damn people are doing traffic on the road. Because of this accident, what happened, whatever happened, everybody's staying and watching, and the traffic is for no reason. From no freaking reason. Look, everybody's looking. And I sit in the traffic for half hour because they wanna take a look on shit. Now, guys, I'm gonna show the most step hill. I think it's like around 20-25 degrees downhill. Let's pray to the God, guys. Let's put it in the gear. I'll put in the second gear just to make sure. I'm not sure if in video you can see, but it's like that.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on Winfield Road.
Get a little bit on the left because it's too tight and there's trees and stuff. It's kind of
turn left on
watching the
Winfield
trailer.
Road, then take the first left.
Okay. You know, when you go uphill, it's a little bit worse, and when you light like now, it's easier to go downhill. Okay, to the next stop. Another day, another mile, another dollar. But guys, this is a huge company making whatever they make, right? We need to get some tomatoes, some cucumbers, and a bunch of stuff from here. Look how good. Zero 007. I'm not sure, but I think I have a overweight. If I have a overweight with the axles. Until what time you working here?
sign at the bottom.
What is the weight of the load, boss?
Weight is 44,302.
This is with pallets or without pallets?
That's the total weight, man.
What should I sign, you said? Here?
Way on the bottom. Where you get it. Got a print and sign. Dry load, have a good one.
Thank you, J-Lo. We're here the next day delivering some mayo. What do I want to say about the scheduling? I'm trying now to do 10,000 miles and after that home for 1 week vacation. Before, when I was start driving, I was doing like 2 weeks and 1 week home, or 2 weeks and more, like 3-4 days home and again. Because if you do like bigger vacation, you're gonna feel the missing of the check, you know. But if you stay home, for example, 3 days on the week and going like for 3 days on the road, 4 days, you're not gonna miss the check. No, you're gonna still have the check. Check will be like half less, but still the money will be rolling. If you're doing more time vacation, that will you're gonna feel, because when you're home, you spend the money, spend everything what you have, thinking, I'm gonna go on the road and make the money. That is true, but of course, when you get on the road and you work a week and you don't receive a check, that's kinda killing the buzz. It's like feeling like, no. This is why I'm trying to do that. I wanna make 10,000 miles. That will take me like 4 weeks, let's say, or 3 weeks, more like 4 weeks, I think. And after that, going home, put the truck in the oil change and inspection and all that, and until that, I can relax. That is the best strategy, because I'm killing 2 rabbits by 1 shot. Stay home and truck get fixed. I don't lose time on maintenance, you know, and that is saving money and time. And if you know this business, everything is about the money and timing. Like for now, I have a deadhead of 200 miles to go and pick up some load with vegetables from North Carolina going to Pittsburgh. It'll be a tough night, but I'll do it. Wish you luck, guys, and keep going and subscribe, and let's help each other, guys. Take care.